How to tie a tie. Full Windsor knot. Want to master one of the most elegant and powerful tie knots? The full Windsor knot is a bold, symmetrical, and professional knot, perfect for business meetings, weddings, and formal events. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to tie the perfect full Windsor knot, a wide, symmetrical, and formal knot perfect for business or special occasions. Step 1. Facing a mirror, drape the tie around your neck with the wide end on your right side, hanging about 12 to 14 inches lower than the narrow end. Step 2. Take the wide end and cross it over the narrow end from right to left, forming an X near your collar. Step 3. Take the wide end up through the neck loop from underneath and pull it down to the left side. Step 4. Bring the wide end behind the narrow end from left to right. Step 5. Take the wide end up through the neck loop from the top and bring it down to the right side. Step 6. Bring the wide end across the front from right to left, forming the outer part of the knot. Step 7. Now take the wide end up through the neck loop from underneath. Step 8. Guide the wide end down through the loop you've just created in the front. Step 9. Hold the narrow end and slide the knot up to your collar. Adjust the knot to make sure it's symmetrical and snug and powerful looking. Adjust the dimple for a polished look. If this tutorial helped you, like this video, subscribe for more style tips, and comment below with your favorite tie knot. Dress for success. Tie your tie with confidence.